Welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to control the navigation voice in your Tesla Model Y or Model 3. Whether you want to adjust the volume, mute it completely, or use voice commands, we've got you covered. This guide is up to date for December 2025, so let's dive in. The primary way to control navigation voice is through the touchscreen. Start by tapping the volume icon located on the bottom bar of the display. When you tap the icon, a volume slider will appear. Adjust this slider to change the overall audio volume, which includes the navigation prompts. Note that in some older software versions, there might be a separate mute navigation option under Controls, then Display, then Volume. If available, use that for specific muting. Remember the location of these controls for ease of use while driving. For quick adjustments to navigation voice, use the steering wheel controls on your Tesla. The volume up and down buttons are located on the right side of the steering wheel. These adjust the overall audio level, including navigation prompts. The mute button, shown as a speaker icon with a cross, will silence all audio, including navigation voice. Press it again to unmute and restore the previous volume level. This method is especially useful for quickly silencing prompts during phone calls or when you need complete quiet while driving. Tesla's voice command system provides hands-free control. Simply say, "Hey Tesla, mute navigation," or "Hey Tesla, turn off voice directions." To turn it back on, say, "Hey Tesla, unmute navigation," or "Hey Tesla, turn on voice directions." As of late 2025, the accuracy of Tesla's voice command system is very high, so this has become the fastest way to adjust navigation voice. Here are some practical tips for managing volume and mute settings in your Tesla. The volume control ranges from 0 to 100%, giving you full flexibility to adjust audio levels to your liking. Navigation voice prompts are set to a default level of around 70 to 80%, but you can easily personalize this through the touchscreen controls to match your driving preferences. Keep in mind that using the mute function will silence all audio in the vehicle, including navigation, media, and any other sound outputs. For more selective control over your audio, you can lower the media volumes specifically while keeping navigation prompts audible and clear. Thanks to recent Tesla software updates, the system now often remembers your mute preferences across different drives, making it easier to maintain consistent audio settings. Beyond basic directions, Tesla offers helpful voice tips like traffic ahead rerouting. These provide crucial real-time updates without requiring you to look at the screen. To enable or disable these voice tips, go to Settings, then Navigation, and select Voice Guidance. Looking ahead, Tesla is advancing AI-driven customization of voice prompts. Expect predictive voice tips based on your driving history, such as reminders for familiar routes. Integration with apps like Google Maps may offer more granular controls, evolving toward multimodal interactions combining touch, voice, and gesture. These advancements will reduce cognitive load by up to 30% in EVs by 2030, contributing to safer driving by minimizing distractions. Experiment with the methods covered to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching.